Good morning, members of the board. I'm Sammy Thompson. It's been my privilege for the last 40 years to represent doctors in the state of North Carolina when they have had claims and lawsuits brought against them. I appear today representing Mag Mutual Insurance Company. Mag Mutual insures approximately 4,000 doctors in North Carolina. Mag Mutual is concerned about the proposed rules. There are two reasons. Number one, fairness. Number two, unintended consequences. With respect to fairness, it has been my experience that the best doctors in North Carolina get sued. The best. Why? Because they are successful, because they are good, because they take care of the sickest, most difficult patients, because they are highly specialized, because sometimes they practice in rural, poor, underserved areas where a bad or unforeseen or poor outcome is viewed as a ticket to the lottery. So, let's not make any mistake about this. Poor outcomes do not equate with substandard care. There are other factors that go in to the settlement of a case. Factors like being underinsured for the risk and having your personal assets at risk of losing them. There are also demands of the busy, successful, very good doctor's practice and the inability to not be available for his or her patients for an extended period of time to defend himself or herself. There are, yes, economic settlements that make sense economically, and there are nuisance value settlements. But the point is this: payment does not equal substandard care. And the unfairness of this rule is that all payments are put out to the public, to the media, as if they have some meaning with respect to the competence of the healthcare provider. Speaker after speaker this morning has begged you to give them accurate information about the competence of doctors. This doesn't do it. That's the problem. Transparency here, as it has been used and has been offered as the reason for putting all payments out, you collect so that what you disseminate to the public has meaning towards your purpose of protecting the public.
4 minutes.
If it has no meaning, if it is misleading, that is unfair. It is basic, in our view, that you must investigate, you must analyze, you must find substandard care, you must have reasonable thresholds before you put the information out to the public. Isn't this the job of the medical board? Is it the easiest way? No. Is it the right way? Yes. You have already heard about the retrospective aspect. Clearly unfair. People expect to have their contracts honored. Most physicians would not have settled if they thought it was going to be made public and without any investigation or analysis.
5 minutes.
The unintended consequence is doctors are not going to settle their cases. It's that simple. No doctor wants to be published on a profile when there's no merit to the case. Chilling settlements increases the cost of health care and the access to health care, and that's the truth. Thank you.